Oh,
Wow.
look at that. Must be special being blue.
Oh dear, the funnel is so small.
Wow, it's all coated in there. Looks great. Has it actually made it duller?
Is it a lighter colour?
Yeah, I think it's taken half the paint off. Oh well.
Good morning. It's now day 2 of the tank restoration project. Overnight I left the second volume of Aqua Clear product inside the tank with a bit of warm water and left it to soak all night. And now I've been drying it out in the sun for a couple of hours and decided to use a Milwaukee blower to have air flowing inside the tank to help assist to dry it out from all the nooks and crannies.
Oh, hello. What's going on here? Doing a bit of reading.
Good afternoon. So just to recap, 2 lots of Aqua Clear have been through this and it's been heavily rinsed, and as you've just seen, we've been using a Milwaukee blower on it for the last half an hour, just blowing it and drying it out, and it's nice and dry in there. Again, the warning from KBS Coatings is to gear up with safety gear just in case you splosh it. And you may notice I've changed my safety eyewear now.
I think that's a lot better than that last gas mask you had on.
I think with the shield, Jason, I found that I was a bit muffled.
Yeah.
I had a few complaints. So basically what we do with this stuff is we're going to put it in, but you don't let it set. So every 5 minutes we're going to just sort of rotate the tank and swirl it around a bit for a maximum of 20 minutes. Basically that's how it's going to go. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab this product and I'm going to pour it into the tank. Oh, it's blue.
Oh,
wow.
Look at that. Must be special being blue.
I'm using the whole litre. Basically this is coating it, right? So it's not like it's just getting it all wet and coated. So you basically roll and tip the tank every 5 minutes for a maximum of 20. So we'll just start it off by just doing the old getting it all in there, making sure that it's going all over the inside of that tank. We're going to whip it upside down for a couple of seconds just to make sure we're getting that top bit. And you know what? I think that's about it.
Okay, well
I've covered most.
I think you have too.
Most areas, so we're just going to sit it up there, and we'll come back in 5 minutes and give it another whirl.
Wonderful.
Okay, so my 5 minutes is up, so I'm going to rotate it around a little bit more, but I purposely left the tank just on the left hand side just to soak, and then I'm going to do the opposite once we slight leakage coming out of the cap. Look,
Oh, there is too.
but it's nothing too major, mate. It's only a little. This is why we do it when the tank is still stuffed.
Absolutely.
It's just getting it swirling around. I want to sit it like this time.
Well, we haven't got long to go now. Probably what, 2 more shakes and then we're done?
Yeah, probably. I think what we do is we inspect it. The idea is you drain it out, and then we'll grab the torch and look in there and just see if there's any more rust left, because they reckon you should be able to get rid of 99% of the rust.
Well, great. I'm looking forward to actually filming inside the tank even.
Yeah, we could try.
All right.
Okay, so what we've been doing for the last 20 minutes is we've been shaking this or just moving it around every 5 minutes just to keep the fluid from moving. And now they say to empty it into a container, but I'm actually going to use this container here, Licorice All Sorts Fun Pack that, sorry Jason, you missed out on
Oh, what the hell?
So I'm just going to put that there on the grass.
I can't wait to see what colour this stuff is. So, if I remember, it went in blue.
It went in blue, and it's going to, what colours are going to come out? Blue! Hang on, we'll get this right.
I think a brownie blue.
Probably, yeah. Well, it's definitely not blue.
It's kind of
Sort of cow piss yellow, really. I mean, they're saying to reuse this stuff if you want to, but to be honest,
I don't think so actually.
Right, so before we show you the inside of the tank, I thought what we'd do is we'd just flush it out, and the idea is to flush it out with warm water, not cold. And it's going to be a bit of a primitive way, because this, after all, is just a bucket. but we'll do our best to get the bloody water into the tank.
I think you're spilling some.
Yeah, I'm just, we're going to do that a couple of times, so. Oh, we've lost our.
Have you lost your
Well, at this stage,
petcock stopper? That's it, all rinsed out. Done. Gee, I'm looking forward to having a look inside.
yeah. Well, I've managed to get a very special camera to do that.
Ooh.
Similar to what they use in hospitals, Jason, for certain procedures.
We're not checking that today though, are we?
No, it's your lucky day.
Oh, thank God for that.
We're not having to.
I got worried when you put rubber gloves on earlier.
The Kiwi Grand Tour's medical examination, but we're gonna try this shortly.
Okay.
Back to you soon. Okay, so here we go with the camera, and I'm hoping the folks at home are seeing what I'm seeing. That is amazing, Jason.
Is it clean?
Yeah, there's a few little bits of rusty bits left, but I don't think we need to worry too much about that. If you have a look on the camera lens now,
Excuse me.
see if I can wiggle it around.
Wow, look at this.
That's just a couple of little dots, I don't think it's too major to worry about,
This is like a medical exam.
because get in here. Yeah, still a bit there.
Yeah, but it's clean. Remember, it was just brown.
Yeah, it's flushing out clean at the moment. I think we can seal over that.
Absolutely.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Okay. Now, the CB360 tank's been done. It looks unbelievably fantastic. I think we better do the 125. So, first of all, we've got to get off these very old rubber. And it's going to...
Look, I always have problems with old rubbers, Jason.
Do you?
Yeah, they split and break all the time.
Oh shit, it's split.
Yeah, I know the problem.
What if I just pull
You're
it
going
off?
to have to replace that rubber, mate. Once
It's just old.
Yeah, I know, but, you know, it's cheap as chips. Bit of fuel on, mate.
Holy moly.
What's nearly...
It's...
Just cut the bugger. Oh.
Could you pass along those pliers, please? I think we need to get serious.
Are we cutting this film yet?
No.
What's going on?
Okay.
Could I say something?
Yeah.
What's interesting, Jason, is this is the same part as the CB. Look.
Oh, look at that. Okay, well, let's pull that up, because we never got to see that.
You got to pull that rubber bit.
Oh.
That. Oh, hang on. I think we're backing up.
It's off!
Oh, we've got a little of...
Look at that.
Sorry, I'll just change my... Jason, what have you done? Oh, off as quick as that.
The tank's off, and look at this stinky little condenser and up here.
Wow, didn't know that was hidden under there, did you?
No, I didn't actually know. I was wondering where that was.
No.
Is that straight from there to the spark plug? Brilliant.
Interesting how the design's very similar, isn't it?
It is very similar.
Now, can you look me in the face and tell me that you are going to dispose of that petrol in the most environmentally safe way as possible?
Of course I am. What are you doing?
Right. Oh, just getting the hose ready to help you out.
Oh, brilliant. Thank you for that. Alright. Thank you. Oh, jeez.
Okay, so I've had the blower on this for about 15 minutes. I can still see little beads of water just around the creases there, and they are now suggesting to use a thing called a heat gun. So again, a great combination, heat gun with petrol tank. Safety, safety first.
Bang! Oh, sorry.
So I should say I'll put this on fairly low heat instead of a heat gun or a hairdryer. This is actually a 2000 watt heat gun, and I don't really want to I just think I should block that hole up. So
No, I think airflow through it's better.
yeah, I was thinking of heating it.
It'll heat it. I don't know, flow through.
Yeah, it's actually coming out warm air here.
Yeah.
So
Well,
we might be able to jerry this up so it just sits there and does its thing for 10 minutes.
oh, perfect. And of course it really is a tank day, because if we look over here, there's the CB125.
Excuse me, sorry to right in front of the camera. I know you don't like that. But Jason, I don't know if you can get that with that camera. You may even be able to. What were you thinking of that?
It's not that bad, is it?
No, I think it's pretty good.
I think we might try a vinegar trick on this, something different.
Yeah.
And see what that does.
That's a great idea. We've seen the vinegar trick online, and it's a good comparison to see, does white vinegar do a better equal job to this tank system, this 3-piece tank system. That was about $100, that system I bought. Well, I think we should shoot down a Bunnings and get $8 worth of white vinegar.
Well,
and chuck
okay,
it through.
well let's do that and give it a go.
I'm excited for you, Jason.
I am too.
Right, Dion, we're going to Bunnings.
There's no Bunnings.
Yes, there is Bunnings.
No, Bunnings closed a while ago in Hastings. There's only Mega 10.
Really?
Yeah. You sure Bunnings is open?
Yeah, I reckon.
I really did hear it was closed.
They might not have your white vinegar, but I'm sure they're open. So,
Wouldn't the supermarket have white vinegar?
Yeah, possibly, but why do we drive past where I think Bunnings is?
Well, I know where it is, but I thought it was closed.
Okay, carry on. Well, as we approach a big building, it's dark green. It's called Bunnings. Let's see if they're open. So where are we, Jason?
Bunnings.
Sorry, a bit more enthusiastic would be good.
Bunnings.
That's right, we're in Bunnings and we're looking for the white vinegar. A KGT tip is when you use a heat gun, when you stop it, it pays to put it up like that so the heat disperses out.
Oh.
And doesn't, right. Well, that's nice and toasty, definitely. So we'll just use the light and we'll check that with the light.
Oh yeah, it is warm.
Okay, we'll stop now and we'll do an inspection, mate.
Now on that note with tanks,
Yes.
we've had a change of heart with the CB125 tank. We've had a good look inside. I don't know if you can see that. It's actually quite clean. So I think we're going to leave it because this particular model with the petcock taking it off, you actually got to twist it. I'm a bit worried about damaging seals and what have you. So because it's so clean, I don't know if you can see in there, it's actually pretty good. So we'll leave that and just have to get a new fuel tube and we'll be done.
Great.
Day of the tanks, there they are.
Okay, the last bit of the equation, step 3, is the tank sealer. And the trick with this stuff is that you don't actually shake the tin. It just says you simply stir it.
Oh, a bit like James Bond.
Yeah, so, oh yeah, it's quite gluggy at the bottom there, Jace.
Is it really?
Yeah, it's actually...
Hold on, I'm just going to come and have a nosy.
Look at the colour of this, there's all sorts of amazing colours.
God.
So we're just giving this a bit of a stir up for maybe a minute, just to get all the stickiness, gungy stuff off the bottom. Here goes nothing. Oh dear, the funnel is so small,
Oh God.
it's having difficulty. The tank is having difficulty taking my load, Jason.
Is the orifice too small?
And what it's saying in this is that looks like you're holding the tank, slowly rotate the tank and roll all sides are evenly coated, so I presume that means the top as well.
Oh yes, everywhere.
Right, so let's get rid of that now.
And how long do you have to do this continuously for?
We've got to set the clock now, Jace, because it's actually it says roll tank all sides are evenly coated, not longer than 15 minutes. So
Okay, well,
that's what I'm doing.
when you finish that, we'll come back and check it out.
Yeah, just let me know what the time is, would you?
Alright.
Look at that. If you can see that or not, folks, but that's looking
Wow, it's all coated in there. Looks great.
Back to the CB125. What are you doing there, Jace?
Right, I am not going to paint this tank, unlike yours. I'm just going to keep it a bit period, so we're just going to really give it a good polish up, make it shine, but still keep the wear marks from 1972, I think. I mean, it is an old bike. So we've got some McGuire's, however you say it, polish.
I think it's called Maguire's, actually,
Maguire's.
if you're posh. It's Maguire's.
Well, are we posh? Oh, drip it on there. Oh, jeez.
How long did you leave the product on for, did it say?
It said 3 to 5 minutes.
Okay, so we'll just give it an area and we'll see what it looks like
Brilliant.
in 3 to 5 minutes.
Okay.
Keep going, Jace. Keep rubbing, Jace.
I don't know if it's going to do it, actually.
Okay. So I see you bought the pate. Have we got any crackers? Oh no, what is that?
No, it's not pate. It's actually extra cut cream polish. Ready to go on the tank.
Oh, I'm glad you said where you're going to put it. Right, let's have a look. So we've got...
Hold on, look, it comes with a free...
Oh, okay. Applicator, I think, is the term they use.
We'll just do a little bit... Oh, I can see it coming right already.
Oh, it's going, yeah, it's going white. So you've been properly trained, haven't you, Jason?
Absolutely.
With the circular motion that you've got going on here.
We've been trained by experts. So we'll just leave that for a minute.
Okay.
And then we'll come back. Alright, it's been a couple of minutes. Let's see what we got. Wow. I can actually see, you can see the line here.
Yeah, I can.
Has it actually made it duller?
Is it a lighter colour?
Yeah. I think it's taken half the paint off. Oh, well.
There's a top coat possibly that's needed on that, eh?
Oh dear.
Let's have a closer look at it.
I don't go too close, it looks awful.
So it was looking like this, and now it's like that. Okay. Wait.
I might do a little bit more and then we'll see what happens.
Okay, yeah.
Alright.
So we decided to do the whole tank.
We're just going to do the whole tank. I mean, what could go wrong?
Oh, nothing could go wrong, Jason. You're a professional, remember?
I've been trained in the art of... oh, look. It's actually taking off these marks.
Yeah, will do. Yep, and probably about a micron of paint.
Yeah, but I mean, it's already... Don't forget, I'm doing my bike up as a patina.
That's right, exactly right.
Google the word patina.
Yep. Not to be related from Katrina from 1982.
Or Tina.
Good. Okay, mate.
All right.
We'll try another...
We'll try another polish after this.
Okay, done.
Okay, well, just rubbing off the polish. I actually think it's made a difference. This part is worn, but if you come around on this side here,
Oh, I can see it.
it's actually quite shiny.
Yeah.
Well, you can see the shine in it. Look, it's
Yeah.
the reflection of the light.
Yeah, exactly.
No, I think that'll do, Pig. That'll do.
That's the tank done. Yeah?
Yep.
Congratulations, you have just been tanked. Hello.
What's going on?
Okay, now's the time we're going to check out the tank. I've had it elevated up at night at a slight angle just to let the paint product come out of the hole. And I've just had it start dripping out of that, so that's all ready to go now. And it's a pretty... Oh, God.
What the hell?
I just grabbed... It's gone like steel. How much drained out?
Is your hammer coming off?
Is it? Oh yeah, there's paint in there.
Hold on, let me have a look.
I don't know if you can see clearly or not, but
I can
it's
actually. It looks really good.
No, it's nice all the way through, but...
What's with the hammer?
Well... what do I do? Do I...
Just yank it.
Yeah, but I've got the whole...
Oh dear.
Right, there's your hammer back, Bob.
Oh, there's the hammer.
So,
oh well, we'll have to fix that up.
I'll fix that up and see what happens there, eh?
Alright.
So there's the disaster. Slight issue, but hey, at least we've got like an extra bit for a hammer now.